Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys requested me to do more wearable everyday looks. So today I'm going to be recreating my go-to look that never lets me down. So first of all, you want to start by priming your lids. This is a necessity to make sure that your eyeshadows do not crease throughout the day. Next, I'm taking this fluffy blending brush and I'm taking a very light base color and blending it mostly across my crease, but then also just kind of blending it out across the lid and up to my eyebrow, and it's just going to create a tiny bit of a contour. Next, I'm taking this blending brush and just a shade that's maybe 1 or 2 shades darker. Again, this is matte. You always want to make sure your transition color is matte, and I'm blending this right into the crease of the eye. And I'm loading the color on there and then slowly blending out, and you can see there the difference. Just it gives a tiny bit of definition, a bit of contour to the lid, really opens your eyes and just gives it a bit of definition. So this is the look that I'll do for any look. If I was doing a smoky eye, if I was doing, you know, some matte colors on the lid, this is the technique I'd always do without fail. Next, I'm going in with a flat shader brush and I'm packing on this champagne shimmery shade. So all the colors I use in my transition would be matte, so now I'm going to go in with a nice shimmer to really make my eyes pop. Then I'm going in with the blending brush and just simply blending out the edges. I put no additional product on the brush, I'm just literally smoothing out the edges. Now, taking a pencil brush, I'm taking that same color I use, that warm brown, and just smoking it on the lower lash line for a bit of definition. Then I'm taking a little bit of mascara, and I will be wearing false eyelashes, so I don't like to apply a lot of mascara, but I'm just going to put a little bit just on my top lashes and then just really focus it on my lower lashes for a bit of definition. So I'm going to be using the So Sue Me lashes, and I always forget to take a clip of this so you can actually see what they look like. So what I do is I put a very thin line of glue on the lashes and I leave it sit for 15 to 20 seconds to let it kind of go tacky. Then I pop my lashes on with the tweezers right in the middle, and then I just kind of glide them into place. And because the lash glue is tacky, it will stick pretty easily. Some people put on too much glue and it's just going to be a big mess, so think less is more when it comes to glue, and also wait until it's tacky. Moving on to the face, I am so excited to go into my Thrive package. Thrive Cosmetics is a brand that's really close to my heart, and it's a brand that I think their products are incredible, and you know what, it's all for a good cause as well, which makes it even better. So they were kind enough to send me down their sponge and also samples of their brand new CC cream. So I've just dampened the sponge and I'm just patting this on, starting under the eyes just so I don't ruin the eyeshadow under the eyes, and then just slowly blending out. Gorgeous coverage in this CC cream, like, oh my god, it's so creamy and dewy, but it's also oil free, it's lightweight, it blends beautifully, and it's also great for covering, you know, discoloration. You can see at the top of my head there's a little bit red, and you can see it just covers that beautifully. It's great for pigmentation like rosacea and dark spots, so it's just an incredible product. I'm still testing it out, but so far so good. Next, I'm taking a little bit of powder and I'm just going to set the CC cream just under my eyes and across my T-zone as well. I'm going to be going in with a bronzer, so I don't need a lot of powder, but I just like to make sure that everything is set in place. On a day-to-day basis, I don't really like to wear a lot of, you know, heavy makeup on my skin, so I'll have a tinted moisturizer, a tiny bit of powder, and then I'm just going to go in with a bit of bronzer. This is MAC's Give Me Sun. It just gives you that gorgeous bronze glow. It's still very lightweight. You know, I don't want to go for heavy contouring or anything like that. I just want a natural dewy bronze glow. For highlighter, I'm going into Soft and Gentle by MAC on this gorgeous fan brush, which is actually from Morphe. I really do love this for applying a highlighter. I just think it really brings out the pigment in the highlighters. A gorgeous brush. So again, just dusting this everywhere so I can be highlighted to the gods. This highlighter is actually amazing, and I've had it for ages. I didn't like it when I first got it, don't know why, because it is beautiful. And now I'm going in with my lipstick. So this is Persistence from my own matte lipstick collection. I will leave the link to my website where you can purchase these below as well. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoy this makeup look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what makeup look you'd like to see in my next makeup tutorial. And I'll see you guys next time.